Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you about tangent and normal lines. Now, when we have a curve of fx, as you can see from the blue lines over here, okay, now at a certain point at fx, okay, when we get the differentiation of fx at AB, okay, so what we have is differentiation, and then we substitute the x with a, okay, so it is the gradient of fx at AB. Okay, this gradient of fx at AB share the same gradient with the line, the green line that I've just highlighted. Okay, so y1 is a tangent to fx at AB. Okay, so because they meet at a point, only at one point over here, AB. Okay, AB. So they share the same gradient, and we can get the gradient by differentiating fx. Okay, so now we've discussed, now we know what y1 is. Now how about y2? Y3. Y3 is a line that go through the same point that we discussed, AB, over here. On the way highlighted now. Okay, they go through, but if you can see this tiny box I made over here, tiny square I made over there, this symbol means they are 90 degrees to each other. So when two lines are 90 degrees to each other, it means that y3 is perpendicular to y1. Okay, now what happened when a line is perpendicular to another line? It means that the gradient of the line, my3, when we multiply with the gradient of the other line that they intersect each other, okay, if we multiply them, we get minus 1. Okay, so what do we call y3? Y3 is what we call the normal to fx at AB. Okay, so yes, so that's the discussion about y1 and y3. So how about y2 and y4? Okay, y2, or the brown line I highlighted right now, share the same gradient as y1. The difference only that y1 go through A and B, while y2 does not. Okay, as you can see, the line is parallel. Okay, y1 is parallel to y2, but y1 goes through AB and y2 does not. Okay, same goes to y4. Y4 is one line, orange line over here I highlighted. As you can see, this line is nowhere intersecting going through AB, but y4 is parallel to y3. So they share the same gradient. y1 is parallel to y2 means that gradient of y1 equals the gradient of y2. While y4 is parallel to y3 means that gradient of y4 equals to the gradient of y3. Okay, so that's all about tangent and normal lines. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.